actually comfortable. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. This is a medium Innerspring mattress, and yeah, I feel the springs and it's soft. I'm gonna let it rise. So I think it said let it rise for like 24 to 48 hours. So I'm gonna leave it alone and let it rise, and then give you guys my full review. A quick review off of the Wayfair Innerspring mattress, and also this bed that I bought from Wayfair. I've had this bed for about 2 months, and it is so comfortable. I absolutely love it. It's very adorable, and this mattress, it sleeps like an angel, and it's so affordable. It rose to the height it was supposed to be, and it has like spring, and it doesn't have that feeling where you get in the bed and you just sink, because I'm thinking, oh, it's a rolled up mattress, this bed isn't gonna like have bounce back to it, but it has like some bounce in it, and it doesn't squeak. It doesn't have that uncomfortable metal squeaking or just that feel at all. Like, I'm just so comfortable in this bed. And also I love I love the sides, I love the texture. I've had it for a month and there are no stains, okay? And I also have 6 pillows, might I add. But yeah, I am 5'3", and the bed comes up about this high on me. So it's a very high, low platform bed. So it is low platform, but the bed is still very tall, and what I wanted was something with a high headboard, and this is exactly what I was looking for. It was very easy to build. After, you know, the mattress rose and everything, as far as this bed, it was very easy to build. They gave you like a little monkey wrench and all the tools you needed. It had the instructions, very self-explanatory. A lot of people did say that they needed 2 people to do it. But for my instance, I didn't need anybody's help, and I also didn't have any help, so I made it do what it needed to do so that I can get this mattress built and up and in bed and not on an air mattress anymore. But overall, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Like, comfort, budget, like luxury design, like 10 out of 10. 10s all across the board. But yeah, that is it on my review from my purchases from Wayfair. If you have any questions, feel free and comment below and let me know. But other than that, thanks for watching, and take care, guys. Bye.